Skin cancer is the abnormal growth of skin cells that destroys normal tissue. Skin cancer is the most common form of cancer in the United States. It affects 2 million people, and they have 3.5 million skin cancers in the year. People generally should do routine skin self-examinations. How often will depend upon your risk level. Certainly if you have had precancers or skin cancer, then regular self-examinations, whether it's monthly or quarterly, would be recommended.
I first came to see Stella, geez, must be 25 years ago or so, just as a routine checkup. My wife was a patient of hers, and she said I should go in and have her take a look at me and see if I looked okay. She had both my wife and I consciously looking for any changes, any spots, anything new, anything that looked suspicious. And at one point my wife said, I don't like the looks of something. And I came in, and Stella said, good catch. And we put me on a period then where I would come into her about 3 times a year on a regular basis. In the course of that, probably over the last 10 years, I'll bet you she's caught 5 melanomas early.
The appearance can range widely from a new pigmented mole, or something that's changing, a pink spot, a red spot. So it has a varied appearance. But the most important thing is that you see change. If there's change of any sort in color, shape, or elevation, then a doctor should be appointment should be made. For common forms of skin cancer, if it's not treated on time, you can get a significant scarring surgery. For melanoma, it could mean the difference between life and death. The most common treatment for skin cancer will be surgery. It is an outpatient procedure in office where local anesthesia is used. The greatest preventative measure you can do to avoid skin cancer is to avoid excessive amounts of sunlight, and certainly avoid sunburns, and the use of good sun protection, as we all have to go outdoors.
I have a wife and 5 daughters, and we've all come to Stella for one thing or another. And we're very satisfied with the treatment that we get, the service that we get.
Skin cancer is preventable. With good sun protection and sun avoidance, you can avoid getting a skin cancer.